How to fix Snapchat audio on your Snapchat. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix this problem on your Snapchat. Just watch this video until the end. So let's go first to settings of your phone. Then on your settings of your phone, just click on apps or applications. Then you will now search for Snapchat. When you found it, you will just open it as you see, like I'm doing right now. Then you will go to storage. On storage you will go to the last button here, clear data, then click OK, and back again to first tab and click OK, and then you will go back to your home page and click on Play Store and update Snapchat. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.